Did you know that NGOs can raise donations automatically using an AI assistant? Imagine never missing a donor message again, every supporter getting instant replies 24/7 without you touching your phone. So that's not the future, that's what you are about to build today. Yes, so hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you how to build a smart donation AI assistant using an amazing automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow without writing a single line of code. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can design an AI assistant, let me give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time by sending a simple hi message to my AI assistant that I have already designed by using Pabbly Chatflow. Once I send the message, immediately you will see the AI assistant will respond to me like this, that hi there, how can I help you today? So I am asking one question to this AI assistant, that tell me about your NGO. Then you will see it shares me all the related details about the specific NGO. Now I am asking the next question as how can I donate? Then it replies to be like this while providing me all the process that how can I donate in this NGO. Now I am asking the next question to this AI assistant, that donation amount options. After that, it shares me the amounts related details. Now I am asking the last question as can I donate anonymously? Then it replies to me like this. So this is the exact automated AI assistant we are going to build in this video. Not only these questions, this AI assistant will give replies to the inquiries of your supporters that will come inside your NGOs without you touching your phone. Yes, at the end of this tutorial, you will be also learn the creation of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business. Now without wasting any time, let's start building this AI assistant from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/Chatflow. Then you will become on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page, on the right-hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT. By using this code, you will get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let automation handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of repetitive replies. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will be see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, name as WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. Now, as we are creating an AI assistant, so I will click on this AI assistant feature. After that, you will become in this page where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus AI assistant button. Next, I am going to enter the assistant name in this field as NGOs raising donations automatically with AI assistant. After that, I will click on this plus AI assistant button and see our AI assistant is created successfully. Then you will become in this page, and this is the starting page of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type that I am going to select as AI agent. Instruction types defines how the AI assistant should behave and how it will respond to your user. In simple words, these are the rules that your AI assistant have to follow while replying to your user. You can also customize these instructions if you want to. Next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives flexible and creative responses. After that, I'm going to select the model provider as OpenAI. Next, I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. After that, it will ask you to enter the API key. Now for getting this API key, you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page. After that, you will become on the OpenAI platform, and in this page you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional, you can enter it if you want to. Next, the project I'm going to select as default project. After that, the permission I'm going to set as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button, and see, I have got my API key, so I am copying it from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button, and see, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with some options by the name of header message. See, the header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation, as this message is usually used for welcome messages or short introduction. So if you want to add it, then you can enter in this header box. Here I am not adding. Next one is the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation. It is usually used for thank you messages or contact information. I am not adding. After that, the stop keywords. Stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant to communicate with the user. As whenever you enter some stop keywords in this field, for example, I have entered the stop keyword as stop, and user will send this keyword to my AI assistant, then the AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human conversation is required to reply the users. So here I am not adding any stop keywords. Next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user if something goes wrong. After that, the next one is the fallback message. Fallback message is the message that sends to the user if AI failed to respond due to some technical errors such as API key failure or the connection problem, then this fallback message has been sent to the user's WhatsApp account for better communication. You can also customize this fallback message if you want to. Here I am not customizing it. Next one is the knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge source file. See, knowledge source file is the information bank for the AI assistant. With knowledge source, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate answer, but without knowledge source, AI assistant gives general answers. So knowledge source files plays an important role for a specific AI assistant. As in this tutorial, we are going to build an AI assistant for NGOs donation. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file. See, this is the knowledge base file for NGOs, where I have entered all the related information regarding the NGO that I am running. Example, the amount options, tax exemption, donor privacy and transparency, volunteer support, and the FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge source files look like. You can also customize it if you want to. After creating the knowledge base file, I am going to download this file in the PDF format. See, the file has been downloaded successfully. Now I am going to drag and drop this file here. See how easily the knowledge source file is get uploaded, and you have to make sure that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf, and keep that in your mind. No page limit for the text PDF, but PDFs has images, then it's limited to 10 pages. After uploading the knowledge base file, I am moving forward to the assistant interface, where you can design your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. So at first I am setting the heading message as NGOs donation AI assistant, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading message here, it will automatically change from here too, and this is the final look that are going to visible to your user. The subheading message, I have written that we are online and happy to assist you. After that, the initial message I have entered as hi there, how can I help you today. Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can also disable this label from here if you want to. After that, the footer text I have entered as privacy and policy and added footer link too. And the user first message is written as I need help, that I am going to replace with hello. Here I have entered. Next, I am going to the styling, where you can give style to your AI assistant by changing its themes, color, shapes from here, just like this. If you want to, here I am setting up this color. You can also customize it more from here. After doing the setup of your AI assistant, you just have to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active, and click on the save AI assistant button so it will saved. So this is how easy you can design your AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow. After After that, the next button is embed. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other applications. When you click on it, the system will generate the code of this AI assistant. You just have to copy the code from here and paste that code into your website, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your websites too. So this is the working of this button. After doing the setup of your AI assistant, you just have to click on the settings option and click on this inbox settings. I am opening this in a new tab. So see, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you just have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You just have to make sure that to enable this toggle, that enable AI auto replies. After that, select the contact list from here, that I'm going to select as all contacts, and select the AI assistant from here, that I'm going to select as NGOs raising donations automatically with AI assistant that we have created recently. After that, I will click on the save button, as I am setting up this AI assistant for all my contacts. Now, if you want to set your AI assistant for any specific contact, just like 1 or 2 contacts, then you just have to click on this inbox feature. After that, select the specific contact on whom you have to set your AI assistant, then enable the AI assistant from here and select the AI assistant. After that, click on the save button, and see, after choosing the AI assistant from here, this AI assistant will be assigned to this specific person, and the setup of our AI assistant is completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you want me to create an AI assistant for your own specific business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this. And not only this AI assistant, you can create multiple types of AI assistant for your own business. The logic will be the same, and make sure that the knowledge base file plays an important role, so upload it completely based on your own business. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated AI assistant for your own business using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.